Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be bringing to you a bike check of my 2013 Intense Phenom. So I guess I'm going to get started. Starting at the top, I have some ODI lock-on bar ends. The ODI lock-ons, the new 2013 ODI lock-on Vans grips. I love these grips, highly recommend them. I have Bombshell carbon fiber pro bars. Love these bars. You guys will probably be like, oh, you spent $230 on bars and they're gonna break and stuff. Honestly, I love these bars. I won't ride anything else now, but I love these bars. And by the way, just so you guys know, I put like all of this money that has been put into this bike has been me. I built this bike by myself. So, yeah, I have a Sins brake lever. You can't even tell anymore because I wrecked and it scraped off. The powder coating wears off easily, so yeah. Sins cable. Have a Sins Pro Light stem. People keep telling me I need to get an 11 bar lock, but I don't want to spend $65 on a product that just says 11 on it when I could get another one for way cheaper. So yeah, I do have 11 headset spacers. My friend gave them to me, so I threw them on there. They're lighter than what I had, so yeah. Have the Sins tapered headset, 1 1/8" top and a 1.5 bottom. I do have the converter thingy-mabobber, but yeah. Going down, I have Sins Stealth carbon fiber forks. They're good forks. I'm gonna upgrade to the Sins tapered monococks. But yeah, I have a Tioga Powerband tire, 20 by 1.85 front. The rear one is a Tioga Power Block, 175. I just like running power bands on the front. I don't know why. A Sins Pro wheel set. It's got the in blue 1.75 rims. It has just black spokes. It's a normal wheel. They work. Cinema valve caps, really light. I like them, I guess. I have a Sins stem lock because they didn't come with a fork bolt or anything, so yeah. And moving back, Tioga D-Spider S-Spec pivotal in black. Have an XLC seat clamp. Here, let me go around the other side real quick. Says XLC right there. Right now I don't have the best seat post in the world. It's just a, if I can get this open, I'm not going to open it, but it's a poverty seat post. I have a shim in there to go up to the 27.2 or whatever. Moving down from there, I have an 11 chain ring, 44 tooth. It's a great chain ring. I love it. I'd actually rather have one of these than I would a Tangent, but it's all personal opinion. Have Bombshell Spinergy Pro cranks. Great cranks. I would highly recommend these. I have Time Alien clipless pedals. These things are awesome. So yeah, I just like them. My chain, it's a half-link chain, but it's actually a Colt half-link. I don't know, but yeah. So the bottom bracket is a Kingstar external Euro bottom bracket. Good bottom bracket. I like it. Spins good. Ah! Okay, so moving back. Sins brakes, they work okay. They're good. I'm probably going to be upgrading brakes, but yeah. I have another Sins wheel, the Sins cassette hub. I put a 15-tooth driver on there. It's the gearing I run, 4415. I forgot to say my frame size is a Pro XL Plus, 21.25 top tube. I just really like this bike though, but yeah, this is the perfect size for me. This is a very nice frame. I'd highly recommend it to anyone who wants one. And yeah, so that's my bike. Rate, comment, subscribe, and have a nice day.